Hey gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. But before I go any further, you guys already know what it is. Hit that subscribe button, and of course, like Noah says, smash the bell to get notified when your girl uploads a new video, because of course you want to be a part of the hashtag notification squad. If you are a part of the gorgeous squad, sound off below, comment below, let's chat. I love chatting with you guys. All right, you guys, I'm super excited for this unboxing. Dun, dun, dun. All right, so there's so many goodies in this box, you guys. There are a ton of goodies. So I am in this group on Facebook. It's basically for Scentsy products, which is like wax melts, all that good stuff, wax warmers. I'm like obsessed with that. Me and Jacob love like candles and just anything making our house just smell good. We're like obsessed with it. So when I saw my friend was getting this, I was like, I have to get it. Okay, so the first thing I got, in her packaging is freaking adorable, you guys. Like, so you have the Happy Holidays Scentsy with Melissa. This was $12. Like, it was like $12.93 after tax. You get this cute cup of cheer cup. I got to pick which cup I wanted. It has this cute little bright sign on it. So we're going to open it up so you guys can see. And I will, oh no, I don't even want to rip this. It's so pretty. Okay. Let's open it up. And I swear her packaging is everything. You guys know I'm a sucker for packaging. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, it's so cute. Oh, okay. So here is her information. Again, I'll have everything linked below. Her name's Melissa. She's super sweet. All right, so it came with this Christmas cottage scent circle. Really cute. I can't wait. Ooh. That smells amazing. And it says scan me, so I'll have to scan it. And then it came with a Scentsy Pretty and Plaid spray. So this is a room spray. Ooh, I'm gonna spray my tree because I do have a fake tree. Comment down below. Are you guys team fake tree or team real tree? I love a fake tree. Oh my God, it smells amazing. It smells amazing. So I'm gonna spray my room with this. I'm gonna spray the tree. Okay, I am team fake tree. I love a fake tree. It's just something about a fake tree that just I love, okay? Jacob is team real tree. I've kind of brought him over to the team fake tree side, but he loves, oh, I gave me the little candy cane. He loves a real tree. He is from North Dakota. He was born out there and raised. So for him, he's like all about the real tree. I'm like, babe, no, it's fake tree over here. Okay, so this one, same thing, cute little sign. And then this is like her monthly subscription box. I think it's like $28 after like tax and shipping, which is super good. Comes with a bunch of stuff. Oh, she packages adorable, like super adorable. So it comes with your box contents, very snowy spruce fragrance flower. I said that so weird. Blue Christmas Scentsy bar in the Slay the Day scent circle plus extras. And it says, welcome to the Hanley Tree Farm. So cute. Look at the packaging. It's adorable. I love that she does this. I think this is super cool. All right, so she gave me a few different Scentsys. It says like bring back my bar. So I'm guessing these are like discontinued and they want to bring them back. She gave me Painted Leaves, Peppermint Dreams, My Dear Watson. It's a Christmas tree, a little present, and then a snowflake. So cute. So I'm definitely going to try those out. And then I also got this. It says, enjoy your sample of Winterberry Apple Tea Scentsy Soak. Add entire contents to a warm bath or a foot spa. Ooh, that's exciting. I want to try it in a foot spa. I have one of those little like foot spas that Jacob got me for my birthday. So I'm going to have to use that. And then, ooh, I have Wax Cash. It says, collect 12 wax cash cards and receive a free wax bar. That is cool. And then it gives me the instructions on this beauty here. So this is the very snowy spruce. And then I believe you just put the flower inside and it like soaks up and it smells good. So I'm going to put this in my bathroom. I think that would be a good place to put it. And then she gave me another sample. This is cozy up with a mug of hot chocolate as airy marshmallow and peppermint flow above a rich layer of creamy cocoa. This is so cute. Like, she literally does the most, and I think it's freaking adorable. And then I got another one of these, so I'm gonna put one maybe on the tree and then one in the car. This one is Slay All Day. Yes, Slay All Day. Okay, and then we got, I'm so excited for this. I cannot wait to try this. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Blue Christmas Scent of the Season collection. Oh, it smells so good. I can't wait. Oh, and then she included some candy and hot chocolate. That is so freaking cute. So thank you so much, Melissa. I'm so glad to be a part of her subscription box. I think it's amazing, you guys. Again, I will link everything down below. I am a part of it through Facebook, but again, she has all her information, so I'll have that posted for you guys, just in case you guys want to like reach out to her, you want to join yourself. I think it's so fun. It's so cute. I can't wait for next month's box. I think it's just super cool that she does this. Oh my gosh, I love it. And this is so fun. I hope she does more of these, because you guys know I'm a mug collector, a Starbucks cup collector, so I'm like, I had to have this. It is so cute. And I think she made the cup herself, which is super cool. So we got cup of cheer. Cheers. But that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, a little something different. Usually I do beauty boxes unboxings, so I thought that this would be fun, especially if you have your own home, or you're a mom or a woman, you're into all this kind of stuff like I am. This stuff excites me, you guys. I absolutely love this kind of stuff. Okay, all right, that's it, you guys. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and share. You guys, sharing is caring. I appreciate all the shares and all the likes, and comment down below, guys. Let's chat. Bye.